Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Take a look at this. Ripple's top legal mind accuses Gensler of breaking the law. The chief legal officer of Ripple, Stuart Alderodi, has made allegations that Gary Gensler, the chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, has violated the law by exceeding his legislative authority. This follows Gensler's statement to the Financial Times, stating that the regulator is considering how to respond to recent litigation setbacks. With the refusal to retreat, Gensler is resolute in his pursuit of his agency's goals, which include establishing a dominant position in the cryptocurrency business, even though he has encountered obstacles in the court system. A decision made by Judge Annalisa Torres in July 2023 was a blow to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, because it determined that secondary sales of the Ripple-linked XRP did not constitute securities. Even though the decision is not proven to be popular, there is some speculation that the Securities and Exchange Commission might not appeal the finding to avoid elevating it. Grayscale was able to get a significant court victory against the CSL in August of 2023, which ultimately led to the approval of many spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in January of the following year. In a surprise reversal, the Securities and Exchange Commission, CSC, recently gave its approval to numerous spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds. Fraud is rampant in the cryptocurrency market. Gensler expressed his continued concern to the Financial Times on the possibility of thousands of Bitcoin tokens being issued without the appropriate disclosures. He said it was pointed out by the head of the SEC that the Bitcoin business was still rife with fraudulent activity. Gensler made this observation while speaking at the Bloomberg Invest Summit in New York. He stated that the leaders of the sector are either in jail, about to go to jail, or awaiting extradition. The chief executive officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, responded to the remark by recalling that Gensler was unable to prevent the FTX fraud. John Denton, an advocate for XRP, has once again expressed his disapproval of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission and its chairman, Gary Gensler. He has accused them of causing harm to a significant number of small investors in cryptocurrencies, including those who have placed their money on XRP. In addition to this, he brought to the attention of the XRP community Gensler's extra significant mistake that caused a stir among the legion of crypto enthusiasts. Noteworthy is the fact that Deaton is running for the United States Senate in the state of Massachusetts. A criticism leveled by Deaton against the SEC and Gensler in his writing, John Deaton expressed his 100% conviction that Gary Gensler and the Securities and Exchange Commission have caused more damage to small investors than any other person or entity throughout the past few years. In addition, he added that Gensler is not in a hurry to divulge the fact that he had two personal meetings with the Bernie Madoff of crypto, which is Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and former CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange FTS, which went bankrupt. As the one who took legal action against the State Securities and Exchange Commission on behalf of tens of thousands of small investors, I can assert with absolute certainty that Gary Gensler and the SEC have caused more damage to investors than any other individual or organization throughout the past few years. In December of 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, initiated a legal case against Ripple. Deaton is keeping a close eye on the case and routinely gives updates on its progress. Annalisa Torres, a federal judge, issued a ruling in July 2023 stating that XRP sales done by Ripple Labs on secondary marketplaces do not meet the criteria for inclusion in the category of securities transactions. Altcoins are classified as unregistered securities by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Despite this, the legal struggle is still ongoing. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, recently stated, maybe in a lighthearted manner, that he anticipates the judge to issue a definitive verdict in September, which will result in the conclusion of this protracted legal action in favor of Ripple. In general, the Securities and Exchange Commission has declared that it will be conducting a witch hunt targeting cryptocurrency, platforms that are situated in the United States, as well as altcoins that are traded or lent on those platforms. Altcoins, except XRP to a certain degree presently, have been declared by the SEC to be unregistered securities. This is because a significant number of cryptocurrency users have invested in altcoins. As a result of the recent actions taken by the SEC against alternative cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency exchanges, Gensler asserts that there is a significant amount of non-compliance in the cryptocurrency market. Let's take a look at the price of XRP. The price of XRP had a precipitous decline, which resulted in a trail of red across the charts. Have we reached the end of the road for XRP, or is this simply a temporary setback? July has the potential to be a pivotal month for XRP. Is this merely a little hiccup or the beginning of something bigger and more significant? Analysts, Cheeky Crypto, responded to every one of these significant queries. We can look forward to July as June, which was a particularly bearish month, draws to a close. The month of July has been exceptionally bullish for XRP over the past 4 years, according to research on historical prices. The return on investment for XRP in July was at its lowest point of 6.91 and its highest point of 48.1 since the year 2020. On the other hand, the analyst stated that the 5 years before 2020 were less beneficial, with the majority of them ending in a negative amount. Therefore, the average return on investment for all of July since the beginning of XRP's existence is 5.56%. According to the median, which is a more reliable estimate, there was a gain of 0.7 that was practically neutral. Therefore, based on the data from the past, it is anticipated that the value of XRP will at the very least remain the same in the future month, if not increase. The price of Ripple XRP is a topic of discussion, and everyone is looking for the next significant move in the market. In light of all these recent developments, what is the future price target for Ripple XRP? Even when he examines the XRP tear on the Binance chart for a single day, he continues to observe a downward trend. The 200-day exponential moving average email is currently at 5,426 cents. The 50-day EMA is at 5,062 cents. And the 50-day simple moving average is at 5,074 cents. Taking a look into the future, if XRP drops by 4,188 cents, we might see additional decreases. On the other hand, if it continues to hold, the coin can try to rebound toward the 200-day exponential moving average. A few other significant events: the quantity of XRP that is locked in ampools has now topped 10 million, which is a significant milestone that the XRP ledger XRPlay has recently accomplished. The XRP ecosystem is experiencing a significant moment as a result of this development, even though the current total has decreased somewhat to 9.6 million XRP. According to the facts from the past, 0.7 in any case, it is anticipated that XRP will not collapse during the next month, and at most to even include growth. It is a responsibility that is a thankless one to any event that may occur in the cryptocurrency market the month of June. On the other hand, regarding the entirety of the cryptocurrency dropping market, including XRP, which experienced a loss of over 88.5 increase in cost now that we have the month. Let's move on to, when it comes down to it, the price of Ripple XRP is a hot topic.